My people, welcome back to my channel. Happy new month to you all, my lovely people, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. I welcome you all to this month of December. Happy Christmas in advance and happy new year in advance. So guys, this tutorial is just a short video and I'll be teaching you guys how to achieve lovely two-step, as in two-step cornrow. Can you see, guys? So you divide the hair into two, as in you section it into two, not equal parts. The back is smaller than the front, as you can see. Then you begin to cornrow the hair just the way I'm doing it right here. Can you see, guys? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, please, if this video is helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video to your friends and family. Can you see, guys? So you keep braiding it, don't make it tight, just hold it firm. Like I keep saying it, don't make it too tight. There is no any enjoyment making hair too tight. Just make sure you hold it firm. Now when you are done with the back aspect, you just go ahead and you begin to do the front part. Can you see? This lovely cornrow is just a simple style. If you wish, you can give it a lovely pattern, but this one I'm just trying to do something simple and something nice. Can you see, guys? So you section it into two. In case you are a beginner, you have issue with your pattern, just section it into two equal parts. Then you begin to braid it from the middle. Can you see? Just all back. This side I try to give it a lovely pattern, giving it a zigzag cornrow just to beautify the braid, the cornrow. Can you see, guys? That's how you keep braiding it. So if you are trying to braid this zigzag, can you see, guys? Just take your time. If you're a beginner, you don't need to rush yourself. Take your time and you guys will love the outcome of this video. Can you see, guys? You keep braiding it. So I decided to braid zigzag at the both sides, and this is the final look of the braid. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.